Hi, this story today is called A Christmas Story by Brian Wildsmith. Once, a long time ago, in a town called Nazareth, a little donkey was born. When the little donkey was almost 9 months old, his mother set out on a long journey with her mistress and master, whose names were Mary and Joseph. They asked Rebecca, who lived next door to them, to look after the little donkey while they were gone. But the little donkey was very sad without his mother and refused to eat. So Rebecca packed food and water and promised the little donkey that they would find his mother. And they set out to follow Mary and Joseph. The roads were full of people traveling to various towns and cities. "Have you seen a donkey with a man and a woman?" Rebecca asked the traveler. "Yes, they passed me on the road to Jerusalem," the traveler replied. Rebecca and the little donkey took the road to Jerusalem. Soon they came to a soldier standing guard at a splendid palace. "Have you seen a donkey with a man and a woman?" Rebecca asked the soldier. "Yes, they passed this way," the soldier answered. "Now hurry along. There are important visitors here to see King Herod. Rebecca and the little donkey continued on their way. In time, they met some shepherds keeping watch over their flocks. "Have you seen a donkey with a man and a woman?" Rebecca asked them. "Yes, they were going towards Bethlehem," the shepherds replied. So the little donkey and Rebecca went on. Suddenly, glorious music filled the sky, and then they saw a great star shining down on the little town of Bethlehem. Imagine how big that star must have been, eh? So awesome. When they reached Bethlehem, they met a man standing in the doorway of an inn. Rebecca asked if he had seen Mary and Joseph in the donkey. "Yes," he replied. "They wanted to stay here, but there was no room at the inn. They went to the stable, and the innkeeper showed Rebecca the way." The stable was bathed in a wonderful light that shone from the bright star above. As Rebecca and the little donkey came near, they heard the sounds of a mother donkey braving and a little baby crying. Rebecca and the little donkey entered the stable and saw Mary and Joseph and the mother donkey, and there, lying in a manger, was a newborn baby. "What are you going to call him?" asked Rebecca. "His name is Jesus," Mary replied. In the days that followed, the little donkey and his mother went with Mary and Joseph and the baby Jesus into Egypt, and Rebecca rode home on a king's camel. And it came to pass that Mary and Joseph returned to Nazareth, and there Jesus grew up with Rebecca as his friend. So that was the Christmas story. I hope you enjoyed it.